stay tuned for that. Hey guys, so I know I cut my camera last night because freaking I was up till like 8 o'clock doing my hair. I finished the back, as you guys saw. I just wrapped it in a bun or whatever. It looks so ghetto, but it's because I have a random freaking not doctor's appointment, a random dentist appointment today at like 3 o'clock. It is, what time is it? It's 2:35 and my dentist appointment's at 3, so we're about to dip. And yeah, I might request and finish there, maybe, because this was so random. I did not know. And I was like, why would you do that when I have like when I'm doing my hair? But yeah, see you guys at the dentist office, and then we're gonna finish my hair today. Oh, my outfit today, I'm wearing this shirt from Rue 21, wearing these leggings from Rainbow, and I got on my Converses with my long socks, and I'm wearing my earrings with my chain necklace and this bracelet. Oh, and I have my Coach bag. And the scent I'm wearing the Cherry Roach Original Perfume with this Open Sky Body Mist from Bath & Body Works. Y'all know I like to mix my sprays. Yes. Okay, bye.
I hope this is the realest thing that you ever know. One thing, remember one thing, that one man can change the world. One man can change the world. Yeah.
Excuse me, can I please talk to you for a minute? Sure, you look kind of familiar. Yeah, you do too. But I just wanted to know, do you know somebody named... You know his name? Oh yeah, definitely. I know his name. But I just want to let you know that he's mine. No, he's mine.
pick y'all back up. So I'm almost done with my hair. I just have the middle to finish, and that's what we're gonna do in this video. So yeah, sorry if you guys hear my sister. She's being mad loud for whatever reason. But yeah, let me see you guys when I'm halfway, when I'm done.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
I swear to God, I don't know why my camera looks so freaking yellow, first of all. But I swear to God, this is my last braid. Like, y'all, it's been 4 stressful days. I don't know who told me to make them this thick and this freaking long. But that's okay, because I'm fun to be cute, and that's all that matters. These braids is heavy as hell. Y'all, I've been fighting for my life. My friend been making fun of me all like, how long it's gonna take you 4 million years? It really is. And it really did. Things I do for y'all. I know some of y'all, shoot. I know free. Everybody watching this video like, who is y'all? Like, girl, we not even subscribed. Subscribe. I don't know what that was. I'm sorry. But y'all, I'm freaking piecing this hair off, bro. Like, I don't know how long this video finna be. I'm gonna speed the mess out of this process. But I just want to thank y'all for being here with this process. This was less of a tutorial and more of a, you know, braid with me. Oh Lord, y'all, I'm on my last pack of hair. I'm so glad though, cause I was just gonna get 1 pack of hair. My friend was like, nah, get 2. So shout out to my friend, bro. She really, cause I was like, nah, I'm gonna just get 1. I was gonna get 2 of the freaking 27 inch, or what is it, 24? She was like, no, bro, get 2, cause this is what, 57 inch, bro. She my dog for real. Like, she really just helped me with that, yo. It is currently 8:28. It's Saturday morning. I'm only gonna get like 4 or 5 hours of sleep so I can get up on time to meet my friends. We can go out today, which is I'm not gonna say where because it's gonna be in the weekend vlog coming up. So yeah. For the last braid, Alexa, play Run BTS.
Here's Run BTS by BTS on Amazon Music.
Yeah. Wait. Can you start it? Alexa. Alexa.
Yeah.
Run. Run. Okay, let's go. Wait. I'm catching babe, no need to die. I said make, oh yeah, we got us. Tell me what you wanna, make it move, we don't, goddamn. Ching chong, goddamn. Good music, goddamn. Good taste, goddamn. You said you hot, only you not. Hey. No ting. Get ready. Go to the gun. Go get it. Take a run. If you live fast, let's start, yo. Every time I miss you, another.